Hi everyone, in this video we're gonna look about the matrix visualization in the Power BI, and it is very similar to the Power Pivot in Excel. And this visualization helps us to analyze and summarize the data across different dimensions, and it is a column as well as rows similar to the table visualization. First of all, we have to select this matrix visualization from the visualization pane. And it is a different option: rows, column and values. In the rows column we have to put the region. Basically we want to find out the profit across the different region, and it is a central region, east, south and west. And we will also put state in the rows option. Now we can see different state in the central region and similar in the east region. Now in the values column we will put a numerical data, that is profit. We can also put different numerical data, that is sales, total sales. As we can see the sales with respect to the region as well as the subtotal. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.